I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and very, very taste. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents and teachers and elders. I shall treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity along my happiness. Thank you, sir.